Alright, so today we are looking at the process to construct the incenter, which if you remember is the intersecting point of the three angle bisectors of a triangle. And so in order to find the incenter, we have to construct at least two of those angle bisectors. And so I'm going to start down here on our triangle at angle B. We're going to construct the angle bisector for angle B. So first step in making an angle bisector, put the point at the vertex and make an arc that is going to connect to both sides of the angle, like so. And then we go to each one of those intersecting points with the side and the arc, put our point there, and we're going to make an arc from there. And I'm going to extend my compass out just so these extra marks are not inside the triangle, making a mess inside there. So make an arc out here like so. Then I'm going to go down to the other intersecting point, put my compass there, and make an arc that intersects that one. And so now we bring in our straight edge, and we want to connect the vertex to that intersecting point. Right. On that angle bisector, then we need one more angle bisector, so I'm going to do that from angle C. So same process, just going to do it one more time. Point of our compass at point C, and make an arc that intersects this side in two places. So, and then go to each one of those intersecting points and make an arc out in the middle. And once again, I'm going to extend out outside the triangle so those extra marks are not inside the triangle. And move it to the other intersecting point. Make an arc that intersects that one. Bring in our straight edge, line up the vertex point C with the intersecting point of those two arcs. And so there we have two angle bisectors which are intersecting right here. So this point would be our incenter. And one thing about the incenter is that we know that this point is supposed to be equidistant from all three sides of the triangle, which should allow us to be able to draw an inscribed circle that hits in one point all three sides. So now in order to do that, to know what the radius of that circle needs to be, we need to know what the exact distance is from this incenter point to one of the sides. And if you remember, the exact distance from a point to a segment has to be a perpendicular distance. So I need to figure out or create the perpendicular segment that would go from that incenter point to the side. So this is the construction for a perpendicular line that goes through a point that's not on the line that we did a couple days ago. So first step, Open our compass up and make an arc that hits this side in 2 places. And then we go from each one of those intersecting points of the arc and the side, and we make an arc out here in the middle. Go to the other side, or other intersecting point, and find where that arc intersects. Bring in our straight edge. And line it up. Alright, so the length of this segment from this point to the side should be what the radius needs to be for our circle, or that's how wide we need to open our compass. So I'm going to put the point of my compass at the incenter. Close my compass. It's not going to let me set it exactly to that distance, so this will probably be a little bit off, but should be pretty close. So with your compass set to that radius, make a circle. And as I expected, it wouldn't let me close it exactly right, so it's a little bit outside the line, but pretty close. So you got your in-center point here and an inscribed circle there.